Krisnow, the designer, started this project as she wanted to have a LEGO store added to ever-expanding series of modular buildings. The main concept of the model is a standalone LEGO store that is about to open after a long period of renovation in an old building in New York. A 2-story high beautiful pickup brick wall is the main feature of the store. These are the initial sketches for this project. You can see the initial drafts of the building shape, black frames, location of signage and flags, pickup brick wall, structure, the height of the interior. The storefront has a few notable features such as big show windows, doors, and the rooftop with technic gears. Unlike other modular buildings whose interior design has to be hidden by the bricks, you can comfortably see the inside of the store thanks to the nice daylighting coming from the windows. On the left side, there is a play zone where kids can play with some bricks. On the wall, there are many boxes, poly bags, and some white display boxes for sample products. On the right side, a counter with a clerk is placed under a big LEGO logo. Outside of the building, huge red and yellow bricks are installed to make the store stand out from afar. At the bottom of each side, there are 2 technic pinholes to be connected with other modular buildings. The side walls are installed one stud inward to make the building stand alone and give more space for windows above. These sides will be hidden when the store is placed between other modular buildings. The yellow storage room was located inside the shop in the initial sketch, but it was moved to the back side of the building. The storage room has many carton boxes and working LEGO crews inside. The outer door at the left side of the storage room is used by trucks to load and unload. The technic gear bricks of the roof epitomize how the old building was upcycled here. It shows that the building used to be a small toy factory. The rooftop was designed to provide sufficient daylight with the pickup brick wall through transparent windows. The grey roof can be detached like other modular buildings. When it is detached, you can see very realistic ceiling lights that might be in real LEGO stores. In your modular town, it's time to place a LEGO store filled with LEGO products you love. It will make you happy whenever you see it.